Good day guys, Nate here. Today I just want to run you through what these scanners are for and as well as the limitations, just so you guys can unbox, set up and scan and know that we are following and using this to the best of its ability. So like both these scanners were built to ensure that we're contactlessly encoding in the circumferential direction. Being contactless, there are a few things that we must pay attention to ensure that we're getting the best quality data with the most accuracy of positioning. So one thing to note is the calibration for diameter changes as the diameter changes. I can't calibrate it once, remember the steps per millimeter, go from a say 4-inch to a 6-inch and expect that I will be in. I need to calibrate every time I change diameter with the same cal process that we show you in our other calibration videos for both the ARC encoders on each system, as well as if you're using it on any of your other systems, keep that in mind. These were also purpose-built for horizontal piping up to 70 degrees from horizontal. Once we get past 70 to the 90 degrees, the encoder is not tracking where it's at. So please ensure that we're not using it on any asset that is above 70 degrees from horizontal. And lastly, if you have a vibrating asset and the pipe's moving, since we're contactlessly encoding, the ARC is trying to track where it's at within that circumference. So a good confidence check for that application. If your asset's vibrating, put the ARC on, make sure it's stationary and watch your index position or your scan position and ensure that the encoder is not going back and forth in line with how it's vibrating. Apart from that, guys, very simple system to use and very excellent system to use for productivity and accuracy. As you know, the best scanning practice, we always want to ensure that we're perpendicular to the scan direction that we're moving when tracking in the circumferential position. As we skew a little bit, given that the ARC is thinking that it is moving in a perfect circle, your accuracy of position could be off by sub-millimeter discrepancies until you come back straight. Then it will realize, hey, I'm back in that position of the circumference. Always ensure that we're absolutely as perpendicular to our scanning axis as we can be, or our circumferential direction. And that's for both systems. If you have a system like the revolver here, this keeps you perfectly perpendicular, no dramas, no worries.